What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for 10,000 subs. It's been a long time coming and I'm finally able to give these things away. So here is how we're going to do this giveaway. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, I exported all of the YouTube comments from the video. I exported all of our YouTube members, multiplied them 5 times. I exported all of our Patreon members at all tiers and multiplied them 5 times. And then I went ahead and I exported all of our current Discord members, subtracting anybody who has been gone from Discord for the past 30 days. I want this to go to someone that's active, someone that's currently a member of our community here and shares in some way, shape, or form. So there's going to be a couple things that I have to do. Let me start a screen recording here. So I'm going to be picking from this list, giant list of entries, and we're going to be putting our winners right here in this area. And we're going to have 5 names. 2 of them are going to be for printers, 3 of them are going to be for bundles of PETG, and I'll go over that. However, when I pick your name, when I match the number from the random generator to your name, make sure that you pause the video and note that time. Why am I telling you to do this? Well, because we can't have nice things because of bots and scammers. So the way we're going to do it is you have to email me. So if you are a winner, and when in that moment when I picked your name and attached it to the number, I want you to take that information and email me at feder@3dprintsos.com. So Feder, F-E-D-O-R, at 3dprintsos.com. That's my email. Email me with the subject line, I'm winner number, and then put your number 1 through 5. It'll be next to your name right here in this list, followed by that time of when I called your name. This is going to be a sure way for me to know that you at least pay attention, and if you are an active member or in some cases an active scammer, we'll find out. I'll ask you some further questions once you reach out to me, but that's going to be the only way that I'm going to answer your email. I'm not going to be in the comments saying that you won. I'm not going to be replying in any kind of way. I don't have Telegram, none of that stuff. That's all bots. I actually had to remove so many endless comments, hundreds upon hundreds of bot comments, because they seem to have replied to every single person in that last video. So send me an email, feder@3dprintsos.com, with the subject line I'm winner number with your number, and then the code, the time code of when I said your name for when you won. All right, so the other thing that I have to say is shipping. Absolutely no shipping anywhere outside of the United States for me. However, one machine will be international from Voxelab. And that is, I have to mention that because if we pick 2 people that are in the United States, that's fine. If one person's in the United States, one person's international, perfect. But if 2 people, both the people that are picked are international winners, I'm unfortunately going to only have to take that first person that replies to me with their information. The second person, I know it's a huge tease, but I'm sorry, I'm going to have to pick somebody else. The same is going to go for the filament. If I picked your name and you're not in the United States, please get back to me saying that, and I'm really sorry that that's a thing, where I'm just going to have to pick somebody else. I had some really nasty experiences the past couple times I've shipped internationally, and the prices are just absolutely outrageous right now. I also got these really cool stickers made today, and I only have a few of them, so I'm going to include one in each of the packages that are coming from me directly. So let's get right into it. I can't wait to give these away. So what we've done here is I have a list of all of these names, and they start with 2. So I went ahead and put in 2 into this random number generator. Basically, when I click generate, it gives me a random number between these 2. In this case, it's 2 and 10. And as you can see, it's totally random. So the other thing that we're going to do, we're going to go all the way to the bottom of this list and see how many people we have, or how many names we have. We have 1,289. 1,289. So now all of this will be random. I don't need to do anything else with this list. All I have to do is match that number to your name here, and we will have a winner. So let's go ahead and start. So when I hit generate, we're going to get the first winner for the first Voxelab Aquila machine. Let's get it. All right, that's right towards the end there. That's going to be a Discord member, 1246. Let me scroll all the way down here. 1246. Where are you? Okay, we have Futari. Futari from Discord. Congratulations, you won yourself a Voxelab Aquila X2. Follow the directions that I gave in the beginning of this video. Reach out to me and I will get that over to you either from me or from Voxelab, depending on your location. All right, let's jump right back. Let's get the second winner for our second Voxelab Aquila. That's going to be 289. Let's see who that is. 289. Okay, we got Bob McGee. Bob McGee from a YouTube comment. Congratulations, you are the second winner for Voxelab Aquila X2. Please reach out to me. And actually, because you are a YouTube commenter, let's see what you said. I'm going to embarrass you. You said your videos have been really helpful. I appreciate all the help you gave this Ohio man. Well, guess what, Mr. Ohio man? You are about to get yourself a 3D printer. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that is useful for you. I'm really happy to be able to give that away. So I at least now know that one person's in the United States. So Futari, however you pronounce the name, I'm sorry there. Reach out to me so we can get your information as well. All right, congratulations. Those are the people that are winning Voxelab Aquila machines from my channel. And now let's move on to the 3D Max PETG rolls. We got 3 rolls first, black, white, and clear. Let's pick that winner right now. We got number 1043. Let's go ahead and click once so we can see the number. Let's get into the thousands. Here we go. 1043. We got Sve Play from Discord. Congratulations, you are our winner for the 3D Max PETG. Let me just scroll down real quick once again to make sure that I clicked the right name. I thought I kind of messed up there. Let's see, 1043. Nope, Sve Play. Congratulations, Sve Play. You are getting these 3 awesome rolls of PETG by 3D Max. All right, now let's pick the winner for the 2 rolls, the new Army Green and the Navy Blue color PETGs. We got 998. That's going to be another winner from our Discord. Let's go ahead and scroll all the way down there. 998. We're getting close. 998. We got Archfiend Texan, or Archfiend. I'm guessing it's Archfiend. Archfiend Texan. Congratulations, you have won yourself some 3D Max PETG. Reach out to me, and I will get those over to you. Cool. It's nice to see who's winning. Looks like the Discord members are plenty. All right, let's generate the last winner for our gold PETG. 946. All right, Discord steals the show yet again. Let's go back down. 946. 946. We're almost there. Here we go. 946. Jolly number 1. Jolly 01. Congratulations. You get yourself a roll of PETG. All right, so those are the winners. Please follow the instructions I gave earlier. Reach out to me in the email, and I will ask you just a few questions to make sure that we're on the right track. And from there, I'll get your information, and, well, I'll send all this stuff out. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the support for this channel. Thank you to all my Patreon members, my YouTube members. You guys directly support me. I don't care which level. I just truly appreciate that level of support from you guys. Just subscribing and watching, being a part of Discord is more than enough. But you guys are literally putting your money where your mouth is and just supporting me directly, and I truly appreciate it. So I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm very thankful for that, and very thankful for all of my subscribers here. And like I said, 10,000 might not be a lot for a lot of channels, but for us, that just gives me slightly more opportunities to be able to get more machines, more cool things here to film, so that I can test them, put them on the YouTube channel and further potentially help people get into this that we all love so much, right? All right, guys, congratulations to our winners. You have 3 days to reach out to me. After the 3 days, I'm gonna have to do another one of these videos and pick new members to be able to give these away to. So congratulations again, and that's all for me. As always, I'll see you down in the comments. Later.